Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So here I am. I'm a little bit embarrassed with a lot of people surrounding. Let me try to find a quiet place. But actually, everyone is doing their own, caring about their own business. Not so many people care about others. At least it shows something that we pay too much attention to ourselves. And the truth is that people, everyone live their own life. Just be brave and not caring too much about the surrounding. Okay, let me show you this place. So here is the museum, Trinton Museum in Santa Clara. And I came here because it's still open until 4:30 at Saturday evening. And I haven't planned anything, just came here, and I was very surprised how dynamic, how lively, how inspiring this place is. So there are several different artists on show, and when I came here, I immediately saw one artist. They are making a video. You see, those are the two videographers or journalists. And this artist is Jacqueline Boberg. And I was just very inspired by her work. And here is the museum with curvy museum architectural design, and outside is a park. And I have been to this park several times. There are some sculpture art, and there is a historical house and shaded area. So these are the artists. These are the journalists making a report, and the artist is Jacqueline Boberg, and there are several other exhibitions. I was very much inspired or very much touched by these artists. First, when I first come to see it, I just noticed one thing. Out of very innocent, out of very ignorant background knowledge of this place is the blue. She's using a lot of blues, and she's kind of using almost very similar kind of blues in her painting, as you can see. Okay, let me try to do it again. So I have noticed that the artist has used a lot of blue, and all these blues, a little bit like royal blue, blue color with white, with pink, a little bit pastel feeling kind of blue. I find it just so interesting that she has a special connection with that particular kind of blue. You can see the color is very dynamic, and this is actually the first time I really pay attention to the colors. So when I make a video of these pictures with the white background frame out, when I take picture from further away, the white background is the white wall is so white that it makes the painting very dark. Don't you think so? When there is white from the outside, but when I zoom in and get close to the darker area, then let's see, I am zoom in until my whole frame is inside the painting. See, it becomes brighter and brighter and brighter. It changed the color. It's not the artist changed the color. It's about our perception or the camera's perception of the contrast, color contrast. It just makes me feel very interesting, not only because the color change, but also it shows that colors are dynamic things, right? Whenever we see them, or the moment we see them, the contrast it has with the surrounding area, and the contrast it has with our particular emotion of that moment has a lot of weight, a lot of volume, a lot of effect on how this painting is explained. I see this painting may not be how you see this painting. It makes me just seeing the art with a new pair of eyes. I'm sorry for the background noise. This is a walking museum. I am trying to do voice over right now because there was a lot of sound by itself. Now let's see this one, and with the white frame, the color is blue and cold. And now when I zoom in, when there is blue color, almost the blue water as background, then it actually reflects the grass become warmer. It's the contrast between them. And I read the artist's statement. She's an artist, but made a living out of a high-tech job. Oh, let me first see this painting. And I was just contemplating in front of this. You can see the light on it. So I was thinking this must be done with several steps, as all the paintings must be done with several steps. So the first step is the background color, and then paint on the tree, and the paint on the tree, and then paint on the tree with leaves and shades everywhere. So roughly making the background, making the trees, and then adding in dark color as the layer of leaves, and adding in the blue as the reflection of the light, and also as the layer, as the sky, and then adding on the yellow color. I'm sorry, because I am doing voiceover, so I'm missing something. So these are the two photographers or journalists making this. Look at this color. Look at this color. I am trying to catch up with my video, and the beautiful orange color, the very warm color, but the complete painting is still in this very subtle and pastel, diluted, pastelized color. So only when you focus in, you can see the change of color, the value change, the intensity change. Anyway, recently I am very, very much interested in these painting things. And the same as I do the apple, judging apple things, I have this kind of hyper fixation. and I am very, very interested in these paintings, and I want to learn about it. I watch video, and mostly I am inspired by my sister. She did a lot of painting. I will put in another video to talk about my sister's painting. And I came out to art gallery, to museum, to see how they make painting, how the painting, the format, the surrounding, and etc., and how they print out their art print, so that I can do my things. It's a wonderful learning process for me. Okay, I think it's almost time for me to get out, and I think it's time for me to go out. I have so much I want to chat with you. This is a wonderful, wonderful place, wonderful thing, wonderful experience. It's inspiring, very, very inspiring. Okay. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye. 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 Bye.